Lympung ki Samla Police Students Union hapok kenup ka All India Trinamool Congress AITC kalapelong ye kejing ye kenduk lang ki Samla hadon Bosco Hall Lymkra naduk ka ap kendai terik unailor haduk ka shiterik risau balajer kerteng ki Lyer Thymmai Winds of Change kabala kring bones pangut ki Samla nagi college bat ki school jang kasor Shillong. Haka Laipo terik unailor ubak Charles Pingrove MLA kanong Thymmai constituency ulalong ukongsan ban kren halor kapang ban long nong mikman kalong ban syakri ye kipai ba da kejingkit kli bat ban ai kejing terekam kabahok ya baro. Ula kentui kisamla pule ban eid bat ban ai kejing yada ya kamariang namar kilong din ru kinhap ban pendon kam ya ka. Hakani kesngi ladon kejing ya kop rwai syat bat pen iriam di kisamla na keleng kesor Shillong. Lympung kala kem shongshit haba ki Samla ki lapin i ki sap ki pong ten rai ban rai ban siao ban shat ban ki singkai ha ki jingken ot jong ki jingtem bat jing berthen ki bom ki sing ki balapin kende wat yu batap lup ya la ka kli da ki jing kuslai da shisha ka jingmen bat jing risa kawan ra ki Lyer Thymmai kumbala kemilenti ki nong penyat ya kini Lympung. Hakas ngikut ke shitarik urisau kindon ki jingkren nau Dr. Mukul Sangma MLA kanong yalam ka AITC ha Meghalaya bat kan bot sekejingkeli bat kijubab na uni undong yalam bat en benrap lang do ba George Billingdo MLA ko umroy Shabuk TMC haying dorbar tauan. Uba ban syarai lang Pingrove Presiden ke AITC ha Meghalaya ulapin pau ye kejingkemen namar keni ke Lympung kalalong ke basyongshit bat ke bakring bon ki Samla pule hanong ba Shillong.
Which means Bhutan doesn't produce any carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And it helps in reducing the global warming. I have planted many trees in my life, and I'm still doing so wherever I get a chance. I want you to do the same. Plant trees, clean the environment, because it is our responsibility as youths to protect this planet Earth. But one must realize that as we take on the mantle of responsibility of serving the state as a servant of the people, we should do justice to that. I have, in the last 20 years, represented the people in different capacities. And I do not really know if my contribution to the state of Meghalaya has really improved the life, the plight of the citizens, and especially the youth as a whole. Sir Arthur Eddington, a renowned astrophysicist, said, "Let us see how high we can fly before the sun melts the wax in our wings." But I know, we are confident that in you, all the youth of today, there is no wax in your wings, as a destiny will make you soar even higher. With these few words, I wish you all the best. And I hope that in all what you dream to aspire to become, follow it and let the fire in your heart take you to higher heights. Thank you to this board. Educational institutions must now be reminded that we have to tune in with the times and help our youth grow in the manner which they want to do so. In other words, youths must be trained in such a way that they are not square pegs in a round hole. Therefore, our education institutions and universities must do that. I would like to remind you today, especially you, of what Dr. Martin Luther King once said. He was a great fighter against injustice. And he said about adaptation and vision, and I quote, "Our very survival depends on our ability to stay awake, to adjust to new ideas, to remain vigilant, and to face the challenge of change." Now, this is what's happening today. So I urge on you, the youth, to adapt and change the situation. But what about us? Today, we need to protect the environment. I don't want to judge you by what you may have done or not. But one thing you can do to make this world of ours a better place is to plant trees, to reduce the carbon dioxide emissions into the atmosphere. As students, you will know that Bhutan is a negative carbon dioxide emission country, which means Bhutan doesn't produce any carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And it helps in reducing the global warming. I have planted many trees in my life, and I'm still doing so wherever I get a chance. I want you to do the same. Plant trees. Clean the environment, because it is our responsibility as youths to protect this planet Earth.